Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Coderman, Matt, thank you, obviously. I'll leave a link to your channel down in the description box below. We have his 2021 Ford Bronco Black Diamond Sasquatch. So this is the two-door version of the Bronco. I've driven the four-door around a parking lot, which was stupid, but you know what? I had to provide footage the best way I could. But luckily for me, reached out to Matt. He was willing to let me take out this Bronco so I can get a better feel of, one, what the two-door is like compared to the four-door, as well as what a Bronco's actually like on a road. Oh yeah, this is nice. All right, so this one, of course, has the 2.7 liter V6. You could get a 2.3 liter four-cylinder, turbo 4, with a manual. V6 is auto only. Wow. The thing is, with it, when you accelerate, do full throttle accelerations in this, or even, I'll say 3/4 throttle, the thing squats. It's the coolest feeling. It threw me off at first, but after I got used to it, oh, it's so cool. You just go, and it just squats back. But obviously, you're not going to be flooring it every single time you're in the car. So what is it like around town? Yeah, you're going to have a bit more road noise than, BMW 5 Series or whatever. Or I should say Ford Explorer. Let's stay in the same make. Yeah, it's going to have a little bit more road noise, but in all honesty, it's a little bit better than the Wrangler. Which would I buy for the money? Oh, yeah, I'd probably go Bronco. They're just so cool. I mean, especially right here, right now. I mean, what is the wait list for one of these now? Like 2 years at this point? And this is the first ever two-door I've ever seen, especially with this hardtop. And this is the one everybody's after. I would say, well, what's the top of the Wild Track? Maybe that's the one that everyone's after. But the two-door Sasquatch Bronco V6, that's what people are looking for. It's here. Handling-wise, it's not awful. See, turn in. Actually a lot better than I thought. There's that squat. Mechanical grip, not bad. I mean, obviously these are big 35-inch tires, off-road tires. You know, it's not going to be handling focused at all. But it's not awful. this thing squats. That threw me off at first, but that's cool. Moving with the flow of traffic, yeah, there's a lot of wind noise. It's a lot of wind noise, but that's a give and take with being able to just take the whole roof off of this thing. And I will be honest, the Wrangler was not much better. One thing that this does a lot better than the Wrangler too is it doesn't wander around. Yeah, it will move a little bit, but I don't have to sit there and constantly make like little adjustments. Nope, I can be nice and calm just driving it. That was huge for me because obviously before today, I never drove a Bronco over 40 mile an hour, which again, stupid. I got a lot of comments about that. Listen, I was working with what I had, so don't get mad at me. When the dealership I worked for said I couldn't drive on the street anymore, one, I was really upset. It was like, all right, this is stupid how I'm gonna make videos. But you know what? I worked around it, did the best I could, but we've moved on from that. I really hope the camera picks that up because that is really it's funny, comical, but oh, it's cool. I like it. Just hunkers down and goes, wow. Braking. Oh wow, let's have a good bite. Lane departure warning. I know. I'm amazed. Honestly, this 2.7 has a ton of torque. Wow. Oh man, what a machine. I like how everything in here, you can already tell, is just built to be abused. It's awesome. When you're sitting in here, you have the feeling that if you went mudding, you could just take a hose and hose down everything in here, which I think you actually can. But with that, I'll wrap up by saying, alright, now that I've driven the Bronco, not driven the Bronco, I will say it's a lot better than I thought. It really is an awesome vehicle. It turns a lot of heads too, and it's a riot to drive too. It's a lot of fun. I wish the weather was warmer. I would have taken this whole roof apart, but you know what? I like it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to Coderman's channel. I'll have it right in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.